Hey, it's red beans and rice with sausage in the Instant Pot tonight, everybody. Alright, doesn't that look delicious? Hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you like what you see here. Boy, it sure does look good. Well, that's me, I'm Instant Pot Dave, TheWildWaynes. Just about to dig in. Oh, yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna slice up some garlic sausage I found at the store. We hit saute, and after the pot's hot, add our oil. Now we can add our brown rice. We'll let that brown rice get nice and brown in there. Take about 5 minutes. And then we'll add our chicken broth and our seasoning. We use basically a homemade Creole seasoning. And if you don't like anything that we put in there, you feel free to omit that. You don't have to use crushed red peppers if you don't want any heat in this. But boy, I'll tell you, that was a lot of really good flavor that went a long way here. Yeah, mix it up real good. And after we spread our rice around, we rinsed our kidney beans, our red beans. And we dump those on top, spread them around so they cook nice and even. It's time for our sliced sausage, and the same thing, just spread it around so that it cooks nice and even. Let it, seal it, and pressure cook for 20 minutes with a natural pressure release of 20 minutes. Kick it open after that natural pressure release. Let's take a look. Oh boy, doesn't that look amazing? Oh, there you go. That's how you do it, everybody. Alright, looks like it's time to dig in. Oh yeah, looks real good. Boy, I wish I had some more of that right now. Now this was a really good flavor. I recommend all you guys making this for your family. Now if you guys like these videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell so you guys get notified when we get a new video out there. If this recipe is something you want to make, there is a link in this video's description. You can click on it, it'll take you straight to that recipe on our website. Make a copy or whatever you want to do. But thank you very much for hanging out with us and watching our video. We appreciate you guys very much. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.